In this video we're going to look at one of the most common things that we often get asked about myEPOS Touch, which is how to add new products into your system. So what we're going to do is we will sign on. Any operator that has manager privileges will be able to do this. And let's have a look, for example, at our bottled beer category on this setup we've got here. So we've got a free space there, and what we're going to do is we're going to add a new product to our bottled beer menu, which will be Budweiser. If we go back to the main screen now, we simply go to our function screen, and then we're going to go straight up to item setup, like so. And then you can see that on your item setup screen, right in the middle of the screen, we have a button called Create New Product. We simply tap that button and then press OK to the pop-up prompt, and that'll give us a blank page to create a new product with. And all we need to do is type in the name of the product, Budweiser in this case, and then we go to department, and we can pick from the most appropriate department for this product to live under. So this one will be bottled beer. Highlight it, choose select, and then if we go halfway down the page, we have a field there for our selling price. Simply tap on the field and the keypad comes up. We just tap in our price, press the green OK button, and then go straight down, save details. Now we'll find, if we exit back out, go back to our main screen and have a look at our bottled beer department now. You can see we have now here our new Budweiser product at £3, and it is as simple as that.